Also, when you're building a shop, most of your workbenches are going to be at least 36 inches high to 40 inches high. Most countertops and so forth. Toolbox are going to be about that high. So I set all my plugs all the way around the shop at 48 inches, just above 48 inches. The very bottom of the box is at about 52 inches. So that puts you about 54, 55 inches off the ground to the top of the box. And do that all the way around. Measure them out so they look nice when you put your drywall up. You don't want one plug being higher than the other anywhere on your walls. So all the way around the whole shop, all my plugs are at about 48 inches to the bottom of the box. And then when you put your toolboxes up against the wall or anything else, all of your carts, you're not trying to fish down here at 1 foot off the ground. You know, in homes, you're gonna do a 1 foot off the ground, but out here in the shop, you're not gonna be reaching down there at 1 foot. You're gonna put everything right up here about chest level so you can plug all your items in, your toolboxes, your chargers for your battery operated drills and so forth. So try that, and remember, no more than 8 plugs on a 20 amp circuit. I ran 12 gauge wire all the way through here. It's all 12 gauge, that's all 12 gauge. No more than 8 plugs on a 20 amp circuit. You don't want to overheat anything or blow a circuit breaker. And make sure you put an arc and ground fault. They're about $70 a piece, but they're worth it. The National Electrical Code calls for any plugs in a garage now that they have to be on an arc fault and GFI fault. All one circuit breaker has both of those in it now. So make sure you do that as well. Follow NEC code, follow building code, and you'll have a wonderful building for years and years and years to come.